You have to have a couple of units here and here to lift it down. So Barbie Botox sounds pink, it sounds fun. Whereas Westport is over in Mayo. I used to go sailing. Oh, in your trap muscles. But like you don't like, which trap muscles? Oh, in the neck. Oh, okay. So this is very funny. This is interesting. Some people want Botox along the jawline because it'll actually give you quite a snatched face. And also if you've got masseter muscles, you get it here. So basically, a lot of people then, I do a joke about this. I always go, this is deadpan what the joke is. I go, when it comes to Botox, everybody gets in the face. And some people want along the jawline, which is great, super snatched. And then, of course, some people want to get it in their neck because people get it in their platysma bands. And I should get it as well because I'm always like this, but I just don't want to have it done. And I go, but you got to be careful because too many units of Botox in the neck are going to relax the breathing apparatus. Going to need to be intubated. Don't worry, only for 3 to 4 months. Same as the face, it'll wear off. You'll be back breathing independently in no time. I do that as a joke, so yeah, I know exactly what you mean. I think you'd be very careful if you're getting Botox along your platysma bands as well. I definitely notice sometimes I see myself on camera and I'm like, ugh, like I definitely feel like I should get it, but I'm also like, ugh, I don't know. So yes, in the neck, yes, I know what you mean, but I think you just call it like platysma band. Botox is more of a medical term, but yeah, the trap, like whatever. Yeah, I'm dying laughing with Rebecca. I was like, what's trap Botox? I was like, it's a trap rap. Funny enough, last night the funniest thing happened. I'm at a club and an audience member was like, oh, you're very funny. I was like, oh, thank you. And I just turned deadpan. My other friends were there as well. And it was a very urban room. So I'm friends with a lot of the black comics because they're very, very funny and we'll write together and whatever. And they're just a vibe. And so they're all there and I'm deadpan. And like, obviously I look like White Becky. And this older guy, audience member, said to me afterwards, he goes, you're very, very funny. And I go, well, to be honest with you, I'm just doing this comedy stuff to like get me a record deal. He starts roaring laughing. I was like, deadpan as if like, why can White Becky not get a record deal? He goes, oh, sorry, my bad. It's like super polite. I go, no, we're good. Then he goes to me, what sort of music are you into? And I can see my friends out of the corner of my eye. Sometimes I'll crip walk onto stage just to be mischievous. So I can see them out of the corner of my eye. And he goes, what type of, rap will you do? And I just deadpan. I go, same as what I did in the Real Housewives of Ireland. I go, mostly trap rap. Again, he roared laughing. I keep a deadpan face. I can see all the older comics falling off their chair. Then I turn to him, I start dying laughing. And we're all laughing. It was funny, but I'm just that deadpan trap rap. It's like the same when I do that. I went to Mount Annabelle. If I need to bring it, I can bring it. Deadpan. So that's I'm dying too. Rebecca, I find myself very amusing, to be quite honest. Now again, I went to Mount Annabelle. If I need to bring it, I can bring it. It drops on Tuesday. It's $62. Shipping is $18, but I will add in a free $36 face roller, so it'll kind of cover it. Also, if you're buying any skincare, buy in our TikTok shop or the storefront. Absolutely, Botox Bitch 25 for 25% off. No gym, just good skin for 35% off if you don't waste money on a gym membership. But also go to the gym, be healthy. But also if you're like not going to go to the gym, don't waste the money. Get your good skin going. So 35% off is no gym, just good skin. And then also if you want to book Botox for 2024, get Botox with me. Very, very tiny needle. It'll be only me who does it. And then you just need to put your email in above and you get emailed all the dates. You don't even need to book a date this week. You don't even need to book a date this year. But if you want to get all the emails about it and the prices and the clinical dates, my list is open for the first time now in about 2 years. It'll only be open this month. It won't even be open the whole month. We are accepting new patients for Dr. Botox in Ballsbridge for my clinic. It's just me. It's your original Botox bitch. Then on another note, if you are interested in politics or podcasts, my podcast, Diary of a Botox Bitch, episodes 11 and 12 are live now. I talk about the fact that if someone good doesn't come up and be nominated for president, I'll come back and Botox Bitch will do that. And I know if you're watching, you're like, oh, please, what does she know about politics? I'm the great grandniece of Michael Collins, so 2 words, political pedigree. And of course, if in doubt and anyone says anything in any debate, I will just say political pedigree. Or I'll just be able to turn around and go, you know what, I went to Mount Annabelle. If I need to bring it, I can bring it. Do I have a place in Canada yet? No, Miley, I don't, and you know I don't. But I have a great friend in Canada.